Hi everyone. This is a new channel that I've started focusing on GNS3 and understanding various network topologies, network design, and also covering maybe some issues that come up that I've overcome to help others. So more specifically, let's just get right to it. The other day I was in GNS3. As you can see, we spun up Ubuntu 14 .x LTS in order to install GNS3. Inside my environment, my GNS3 environment, you'll see here I have a router on a stick. One of the problems I came across was when I imported my router into my topology here, I started it and tried to console in. When I consoled in, it said press enter to get to the prompt, and no matter how many times I pressed enter, the router would not load, which is completely abnormal. So what I did was I deleted the router from my topology, re-imported the router, and tried to load it again. Again, I got the same problem. The router would just not load, and it still had that same message, hit enter to get to the prompt. So I deleted the router again. I went back and reloaded the image both in uncompressed format as well as decompressed. Tried to boot up the router again, console in, still the same message and same behavior. So what I did was, to resolve the issue, I deleted the router from my topology, and then I went to the OS itself, Ubuntu OS, and I located where the default location is for the iOS images. I deleted everything in here. Just trashed it all. Then what I did was I went to where I originally downloaded the Cisco images, the research images, copied these back into the default iOS location, which that's the path that GNS3 looks to. Then I went back into my GNS3 session, imported the router uncompressed, changed some of the configuration for the various modules that will be loaded, the different links, this kind of thing, as well as the NVRAM settings and the let's take a look here under configure, the NVRAM size, so I increased that, as well as the PCMCIA disk 0 and disk 1. I increased that as well. It doesn't show here, but that's what I did. And then when I booted up the router, it loaded normally. There was no loss of functionality. So if you run across this problem, go ahead and give that a try. Delete all those existing Cisco images under your default GNS3 iOS folder, and then put those images back in from where you downloaded, and then you should be good to go. That's a little bit of a bug in GNS3. So hopefully this video helps you. I'll be continuing to post new videos regarding things that I've learned, challenges that I've faced, and maybe some problems that I've found, like bugs and things like that. So come back, please subscribe. I have various other channels as well, covering PowerShell, Juniper, ITIL, and some other areas too. So please come back, subscribe, follow me, and stay tuned.